Good Sunday, everyone. Our USA mortgage level of concern, level 1, yet again today. Most of us stay dry. However, an isolated storm that develops this afternoon could contain frequent lightning, strong damaging winds, and heavy rainfall that could even lead to some localized flash flooding. Yesterday, we saw a couple, 2 or 3 of those storms pop up across the plateau, and watched those pop up on radar. And today, we'll see much of the same. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. I bumped our rain chances from 20% to 30% for this afternoon. I think we're going to see just a few more storms around than what we saw yesterday, maybe 1 or 2 more. Highs topping out into the upper 80s, near 90 degrees. And then Monday and Tuesday looks like about a 50-50 shot for showers and thunderstorms at this point. And those will be mainly in the afternoon and evening hours when the heat of the day really gets going. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, we see more elevated rain chances, jumping up to around 70% or so, with scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, mainly in the afternoon and evening, but by Wednesday and Thursday, it could be a throughout the day kind of threat. But each of the 5 days, the greatest threat is always in the afternoon and evening, as it looks right now. So temperature staying very warm, getting very humid, overnight lows staying very mild as well. Premier generators bringing us our threats, and just looking at, not looking at widespread severe weather, but again, any storm that does develop can be very intense, and so we need to be mindful of that, especially those of you who are out on the area lakes or out camping. Keep in mind, if you hear it thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning, so just make sure you have access to shelter just in case you need it from one of these storms that may pop up. On this day in weather history, brought to us by Bramall Travel, 1893, a violent tornado killed 71 people on its 40-mile track across northwestern Iowa. 49 people killed around Pomeroy. 80% of the buildings were destroyed, and with most leveled to the ground. Photos showed most of the town without a wall or tree left standing. 1928, largest recorded hailstone up until that time, weighing 1.5 pounds and measuring 7 inches in diameter, falls in Potter, Nebraska. 1985, lightning struck a large transformer in Salt Lake County, sending a 200-foot fireball into the air and blacking out almost the entire state of Utah for up to 5 hours. You folks have a wonderful Sunday. Keep looking up. Tropical Storm Chantal made landfall north of Myrtle Beach this morning at around, 4 a.m. their time. It continues to track northward and will bring heavy rainfall and gusty winds to the Carolinas for their Sunday. I have more information on that and more, meteorologistmark.com.